Hey everyone, welcome back to my workbench. So today I have finished up the overlay compatible controller. So this will be going out tonight. Well, tomorrow. Boxing it up tonight. Turned out really well. I had this little overlay holder made. I did this on my 3D printer. It's got little notches in there that are dimensionally accurate. Keypad actually is quite responsive, better than I expected actually. You can see it's quite good actually. And this one caled up real nice too. I got one on the side here. I got to replace a pot on it because it just was being finicky. Oh, you little bastard. Come on. But yeah. So yeah, this actually turned out, come on, turned out really nice actually. Why can't I get the ball away from this guy? There it is. Oh, he's gonna make a goal. But yeah, this one actually turned out really nice. This keypad is much more responsive than I actually thought it would be. Pause works. And the positioning actually is quite good. I got one, I'm doing a repair tonight. I got one, the y-axis pot's drifting a little bit. So, yeah, turned out real nice. This is going to go out to the 5200 podcast people, and that's going to go out tomorrow. Yeah, it turned out really nice. We'll have to see how they like it in person and how well I don't actually own any overlays, to be honest with you. So, well, even from the dimensions, it should work, but it remains to be seen because I haven't actually had a chance to try it out. So this one turned out real nice. I got the rubber feet on already. All I gotta do is slap on the serial number and go from there and box her up, and then that's good to go. Probably offer that as a standard product. Parts wise, it's pretty close. I mean, and other than having to print the overlay, like material cost is virtually identical between the two of them. So, and labor is really close too. So it's just a matter of printing. So it won't be a premium over the existing. This is the version 2.0 here. I still use the old circuit board. Let's see how she does here. Yeah, it's a little high because you should be able to get the 0 there, and your X is off a little bit too. Yeah, it should be closer to 7.2, not 7E. A little touchy there. Oh yeah, this design too. So I've made a couple of small upgrades since then. Yeah. So I'm just gonna take this apart real quick. Throw in this bracket's okay. I see it slips a little bit. That's the new design I have. I use screws. That's probably what's happening here. Is this just a little bit wonky. Yeah, it's reading a little high. Return's the same spot. You can see it's 7D there, so it's getting a good return, and 8.5 from there. So that's a little high. Yeah, I'll pull it apart, put new pressure sensitive adhesive in there. I'm gonna swap out this bracket with a new bracket as well. Pot might be okay. I was suspicious of the pot because I had a kind of a sus, as the kids would say. This way. Okay. Right hand roll. A little sus on the pots on this thing. Yeah, the newer versions I actually switched to self-tapping screws to make my life a little easier. I might do that in this one. It's just a matter of widening the holes a little bit. Yeah, it adhered pretty well. It took a little force to pull that off. Oh, that pot's real loose though. That's not good. Okay. So this bracket is okay. I was pretty happy with this one to begin with, but the other pot bracket I swapped out. Maybe I'll swap both of them out since I'm here. Let's do a little bit of a refurb here. Take this guy apart. That's your x-axis. Yeah, I switched to self-tapping just to make my life a little easier. Oh, these are real loose, so that's not good. I might do this and throw some thread lock on there too. Yeah, it's holding on pretty well. If you ever open up one of these and you see it has red parts, it says white parts or vice versa, it's just whatever I happen to have loaded on my 3D printer, because the color doesn't matter internally. Okay. Still good. Still good. Alright. Take this guy apart here. I'll grab some new brackets right now. I got a Y sitting right there. Grab these two. Yeah, say I had oval shaped brackets, holes before. I switched them around. Oh, I need to close my window. Be right back. Yeah, it just started raining, so I'll close my window. Alright, so that's your X. Yeah, the new brackets use a red one there. Let me see. Do I have to use this or a 3mm? How much grab do I have? Oh, I've got plenty of grab. My dog hates the rain. My little boy dog does. Poor little guy. It's really freaked out. Get you centered. And I did discover a secret, which was grab. Let's make it look pretty. We'll make them all red. What you want to do is when I press these on, you don't want to put a lot of thrust force on it. So you grab real low. Using a good pair of needle nose pliers, and you press it on using just the shaft. You're not tormenting the you're not going past the thrust rating on the potentiometers themselves. And there's your Y, new Y bracket with a round hole. Pots might be okay. The bracketing was slightly wonky. Again, grab it there. I'm just going to press it on without putting thrust on the problem is the bottom of the potentiometers have these really delicate wipers that can get pushed in if you put too much force on it. There we go. Alright, let's make sure these are both reading okay. Get them close to pretty where they should be before we stick them on. That way there's minimal adjustment when I get there. There's 7.1 right there. It might sound weird saying 7.1 is the 71 because it's not 71. It's 7.1 because that's a hex value. Scissors. I made myself a nice little dispenser up here with all my different tapes I use. This is HB, yeah, what's this called? VHV, very high bond. Pressure sensitive adhesive. The more you push, the more she sticks. Don't need those screws anymore. The nuts, I should say. So you should put a little divot in the center. The pot itself that you rip out, you pull the back of it off. This is your y-axis. Let's get you close. Close. Why'd my microphone cable get stuck in there? The struggle is real, folks. 7. There we go. Let's get in there, you little guy. Just want to give it a nice even pressure. And then same thing here. Get you close to 7.2. Come on. There we go. Same deal. Coming nice and straight. The height's fixed now, so it hits dead on every time. And it's a little bit off, but that's adjustable. Alright. So now we're going to throw fresh screws in. And then do the final adjustment. It's a little bit harder when, or difficult I should say, when the knob's on here, simply because I can't use my little centering fixture. That's what this doohickey is. I might have to make one eventually for the for this guy. So I'm switching to self-tapping on this instead. I find the self-tapping gives me a little bit better performance because it locks itself into place when you are done. Nice. And I get just a not a crazy amount of thrust, but just enough to encapsulate the pots in there, so they really can't go anywhere. Oh, don't go crooked on me. That's right, you'll straighten out when you get in there. Yeah, you're good. Doing this by hand, so just don't torque it way F down. Okay, nice. Little cockeyed Dave. straight. There we go. That looks better. That's in there nice and straight. And give this just a tiny bit of force. Jam it up in there. Alright. That's nice. 92. 7C, 79, 79, 79. Okay, return's real nice. I just need to adjust it now. Now I can go in on this pot and do the final adjustment. Kind of have to float it in the air while I do this. This is where the magic happens, right here. Too far. Come back a few counts when I tighten down the nut. It's where I want it to be. Come on, baby. And you get a little bit of adjustment. Second. Let's see what's up with the white feed.